See the bird stuck inside the fireplace? I know you see my reflection, but he's in there. Poor little person. Poor little bird. He's definitely got Henry freaking out. Henry, are you freaking out? What is that, Henry? What is it? It's a bird. We have to figure out how to get that poor little bird out of there. He's like, unbelievable. I can't believe it. He fell down the pipe. Somehow he got from the roof, fell in to the pot-bellied stove. And Henry's like, what the heck? Oh, now he's trying to get back up the pipe again. Oh no, there he fell. I wish my reflection wasn't here. But there he is. In my hand, of course. You can't not see him. Oh my God. Oh. Well, we're going to figure it out. We're going to let the dogs out in the backyard as soon as Nick gets home. And then get a towel and hopefully wrap it around him and let him go free. I hope. Oh, God. All right.